normally after you've registered with somebody's link, they're going to send a mail to you. So this is the mail you're going to get. Okay, so you open the mail, you're going to see that's coming from Live. Then the logo is their Livegood logo. Okay, this is Live, then Livegood logo. Then you're going to go down to click on join now. Okay, join now. So you click on that, and it's going to bring you to this page where you have to put in your personal information. Okay, so right here I'm trying to do mine. So you see the details I've entered, they are not too difficult, and you enter the phone number. Let's try this together. Alright, so you have to choose a username here, so you put a username of your choice. So let me fill out the details and then we'll continue. Now at this point, after you've entered your password and all of that, you have to, number 2, you have to select which of the membership you're going for. There are 2 methods here. Okay, option 1 is if you want to pay the $49.95, which covers 2 things. Number 1, it's $40 for your affiliate sign up and the 9.95 monthly membership cost. So you sum the 2 together, $49.95. That's what you're going to pay. Or if you prefer the other way around, to pay for a complete 1 year. So if you have about $139.95, so you've taken care of your 1 year subscription. So you are paying $40 and then accumulation of 99.95 of the subsequent months, 9.995 or 9.95 you are supposed to pay every month. Okay, add all of them up for a year plus your $40, it will give you 139.95. So whichever one you want to go for, you select it. Okay, now for the purpose of this, we are going for, most of us will be going for this first one, which is $49.95. Thereafter, you now enter your billing information. Okay, but keep in mind that if you are paying for 1 year, you are saving 20%. As you can see, you are saving 20%. Okay, but that's totally up to you to decide. Now, the next thing you're going to do is you enter your shipping information, and I'm going to fill mine now. Now, having filled that part, okay, you now have to come to the 3rd place here where you have to select your payment option. And this payment option, once you click on this, you have the option to choose the payment method you want. So you click on that. You have pay using credit card and pay using cryptocurrency. Now, credit card, MasterCard, Visa card, all of them would go. But now I'm gonna try paying using cryptocurrency, which is most easy for most of us. So let's choose pay with cryptocurrency. The payment instruction provided after order confirmation. Should click on continue, and let's see what happens next. Now in this section, I will be told to pay. The description of what I'm paying for is monthly membership, $9.95, and affiliate cost, which is $40. Okay, making it a total of $49.95, as you can see there. All right. So let's now go. If you decide to change your payment information, you can click on this place to do that. Okay, your shipment information too, you can click here to change, just in case you made any mistake after looking at it. You know, this is a page for you to evaluate what you've entered to be sure if it's okay. Thereafter, you have to now so you have to check this box. I understand I am paying $49.95 today in my choice of cryptocurrency for my order. So you select that, and I agree to the policies and procedures as outlined. You click that, then say complete my sign up. You click on that box there. It says cryptocurrency payment. Please click the button below to pay $49.95 cryptocurrency for your order. 1 monthly membership payment and 1 for you to become an affiliate. Pay with crypto. Click on that button to proceed, and you ask to select the crypto. So you click on this place to select the crypto, and there are several options here, as you can see. But for me, I will look for USDT Tron. So I think that's the best to go for most of us. So now they are generating the wallet address that I'm going to send the money to. Okay. So now they have generated the wallet address, and it's total of 49.97, and all I need to do is to, and I'm giving a countdown time, as you can see, so that means you need to make sure you pay before the time elapsed. So click on this to copy the wallet address. Okay, say copied, and so that means you've copied this wallet address that is here. Okay, and then you go to your exchange and send. And after having sent, look at the instruction below. Please say, please ensure you only send USDT TRC20 on Tron network. Sending any other digital asset, including USDT, on a different network may result in a permanent loss of your deposit, like you know already. For your safety, complete your USD Tron deposit using your personal wallet and not directly from an exchange. Okay, so after having done that, remember to come back and click send. Okay, so let me do that. I'm sending now. So here in my spot wallet, in my Binance, remember when you come to Binance, you click on wallet at the bottom, as you can see there, and then thereafter you ensure you click on spot wallet. For those who don't know, I'm just doing this as extra work. Then you come to spot. As soon as you select spot, the next thing is you click on withdraw. Okay, so you click on withdraw, then you select what you are sending, which is USDT. So you click on USDT. Which network? We are sending via crypto network, so choose the first one, send via crypto network, and then click on that to go out. Then the next thing is you paste the wallet address you copied here on the first place. So you see it has pasted. Select the network on the second place, scroll up and pick Tron TRC20, remember. Okay, then on the third line says amount you are sending. I'm sending in this case 50.98. Take note that the amount I'm expected to pay is 49.97 for something, but because Binance takes $1, so I added one, and just for sake of no issues, I added just 1 cent to make it 98. So that's why I'm sending 50 plus 98 instead of 97. Okay, just doing this so that you will understand how to do yours when you're doing that as well. So when you do that, see how much the company is going to receive. 49.97, you can see. Okay, I'm doing it 49.98, please. I don't want stories that touch. Okay, 49.98, that's what I'm doing. And then I send. Click on withdraw button below, and then it's asking you to confirm. You click on confirm button, and it's going to ask you to send your to verify. Okay, so I use my fingerprint, I verify, and say withdrawing processing. Okay, withdrawal processing. So you can say view history to see. As you can see, it's USDT is still processing here. Okay, so now you have sent it, but you have to just refresh to make sure that it's showing complete here, or completed, like all these other ones are showing completed. Okay, this one is showing completed. So you have to just be patient and keep refreshing. If it shows completed, sometimes it doesn't even need to show completed for the other people to get it. Although it's always good to just be sure it is showing completed from this angle. So now it's trying to process. Let's be patient. Okay, so like you can see now, it's showing completed here. So let's go now and show them that it's completed. So we'll go back, and we're going to click on, don't forget, scroll down, and then you click on sent. So say sent. It disappears. Okay, so like when I refresh now, I saw that they say the following error occurred. Our records indicate that you are already a distributor. So that means they have accepted the money. So that's actually how to make payment using your USDT. Thank you for watching. This is Paul J. And remember to subscribe so that you can have more videos. Okay, thanks and have a great day.